Hey guys, Hunter here. Please pardon the mess. I'm in the train room office space, and today I'm demonstrating on how to build Lash-Ups with my locomotives using Lionel's digital legacy command control system. So here's what we're going to do. Is on the legacy CAB-2 remote, we're going to go to train, label TR, and type in 10, 10. Alright? I already have this slot program number 10. Next, we're going to hit the info key, and then go to build, and program each engine one by one. First, engine 44 for the TiVo, then type train link, and then push add and so forth for each engine in your Lash-Up, and then you simply press the set key, and you should be ready to go with your Lash-Up. Please notice on how my Bethlehem Steel 420 is a switching unit and has separate speed settings when lashing up to a road diesel. The CAB-2 will notify you and adjust the speed steps accordingly. Okay, you can go forwards with both units going forwards together. Please notice on how you can run your Lash-Up with both locomotives uncoupled, running as one single train. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed the demo. That's gonna have to be it for today. So thanks for watching. Anyway, I'll see you guys down the line. Bye guys.